Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial we will understand the business problem. Let us begin. So this is the data set that we are going to use, breast cancer diagnostic, and we are taking this data set from kaggle.com. Let us see the details. Features are computed from a digitized image of a fine needle aspirate of a breast mass. So I'm not much familiar about the medical terms. Let us see meaning of this one. So basically this is a diagnostic procedure used to investigate lumps and masses. We will just remember diagnostic procedure. And thank you so much to Wikipedia. Let us move forward. They describe characteristics of cell nuclei present in the image. So basically all the features that we have in this data set are the characteristics of cell nuclei present in the image. And these images are breast cancer images. And you can find this dataset on UCI machine learning repository as well. This is one more a good website to get the datasets. Let us see the attribute information, ID number and diagnosis. In diagnosis, there are two classes, M and B, that is malignant and benign. And these are the characteristics of features, radius, texture, perimeter, area and so on. And these are the characteristics here. These are the characteristics of cell nuclei present in the image. Let us see the data set. So this is our data set. We can directly download this one from here. It will take little bit time. Great. So we have downloaded 2 times. Open this data set. Before that, I'll move this data set to this specific folder. Now open. Let us see number of columns in this data set. So there are total 32 columns in this data set. Let us check the observations. So there are 569 observations in this data set. So there are total 32 columns and 569 observations. First column is ID number, second column is diagnosis, then radius mean, texture mean, perimeter mean, area mean and so on. Now we will understand the business problem. So we have to build a model to classify breast cancer into two categories. These two categories are malignant and benign. So this will be our target variable, this one, diagnosis. And all other variables are independent variables, or we can say matrix of features. So this is our business problem. We have to build a classification machine learning model to classify the cancer into two classes, M and B, that is malignant and benign. Now close this one. Okay, so this is our business problem. We have to build a machine learning model for the classification. And to do that, we have to use this dataset. And there are total 32 columns and 569 observations in this dataset. I hope you have understood the dataset and business problem. So I will see you in the next tutorial. Till then, happy learning.